Hey everyone, today we're unboxing the Samsung fabric band. Let's open it up and see how it feels on the wrist. As you see, the box is clean and minimal with the picture. And here we have manual, and here the strap. It's as on the box. It's fabric. Stylish. And here we are. The metal flap is slim. It's tight. And let's try it on the watch. It's casual. I feel it's better than the leather. You can change size. It's stylish, it's casual, it's breathable, and it's more relaxed. And here we unboxing the Samsung fabric band. Honestly, it's look like something casual and comfortable. The band is a great option. And let me know in the comment if you replaced original with this, and goodbye.